Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice indices problem, and trust me, many failed, but there were many who could actually do this orally. Okay, so let's quickly understand how you can do it. See, people who could do it orally were someone who knew squares, who knew their squares very well. So actually, if you look closely, 256 is nothing but what, 16 square. And here, please remember, whenever you have something in your LHS which looks like variable raised to variable, your job is to try and put the constant or RHS in terms of what? Constant raised to constant. Once you do that, this directly applies that since the bases and indices are same in both the sides of the equal to, you can directly say A equals to B. Okay, now see here what we could do is this is 16 square, which is can be written as 256, or rather 256 can be written as 16 square. So now even 16, if you know, this is nothing but what, 4 square, the whole square. And in indices we know that a raised to m, the whole raised to n, is nothing but what, a raised to m into n. So here this comes out to be 4 raised to 2 into 2, which is coming out to be 4. And if you look closely, this now looks like x raised to x equals to 4 raised to 4, which is exactly the format I was looking for. So from here I can therefore directly say that value of x is nothing but just 4. Okay, so please understand there are times when this looks quite difficult to do, but actually it's very simple. Okay, even in explaining I did not take more than 1.5 minutes. So imagine you could do this orally only if you had a clear cut understanding of what are squares. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.